Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the assets you will show. This matters because presentation affects discovery. Once done, pick a strong cover image at 1400 x 788 for consistent cropping and upload files in display order. You should optimize large images to keep total load manageable. Make sure videos are MP4 and under platform limits. Then create the project. Click Create Project. Add a short title and the 1-2 sentence summary to hook viewers, and save a draft before editing. You now build the project narrative, explaining how you solved the problem and why choices matter, which helps clients and peers evaluate your skill. Make sure to list tools and creative fields for better filtering, and add 8-10 precise tags to improve discoverability. Once organized, sequence images from overview to close-ups, insert captions describing techniques, and include process shots or source files to demonstrate craft. Finally, preview the layout on desktop and mobile to confirm visual flow before publishing. You finish by choosing visibility and permissions. Public helps reach, but private is fine for client previews. Then publish and immediately share links to Adobe Portfolio and social channels. Tailor captions to each platform and include 1-2 strong hashtags. Make sure to add collaborators and project credit, which builds network reach. If something goes wrong, verify file types and sizes, clear browser cache, try another browser or a wired connection, and re-upload. These steps fix most upload or display errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.